Today we're unboxing the Radeon RX 6800. The usual card. And pretty standard bracket now. And there it is. So this is the MSI Gaming Edge Trio variant of the Radeon 6800 card, and it's got their patented Tri-Frozer version 2 fan system. Pretty standard stuff here, metal backplate. What do we got here? 3 display ports and a HDMI, pretty standard. Card has 16 gig of VRAM, which is kind of insane. And as with all the Gaming Edge Trio cards, very nice RGB setup on the front there, which you can probably see better on the box here. And that's about all there is to it. Thanks for watching.